Maraming salamat po! Magsiuwi na tayong lahat? Wala na po kasi si Piolo po, bumalik na ng LA. Sorry? Oh, English! Oh, Bea was shouting, yes. English. Yeah, I know. Kaya ko ba ito? I'll tell you later. I'll text you, okay? First of all, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po for coming tonight. It's our 4th show. At halos lahat po ng pinuntahan namin ganitong karamihan tao. Kaya po, maraming salamat sa inyong oras. Alam naman natin na hindi madali ang pera dito. Hindi madali ang magbayad ng ticket at mag-spare ng oras para makita kami. Kaya po, we really appreciate yung time na binibigay niyo sa amin, yung effort, especially sa mga tumulong sa amin, tumulong sa producers para po mapaganda tong show na to. So sa lahat sa inyo, kilala niyo po kung sino kayo. Maraming salamat. I'm gonna shorten my spiel, pero yung moment ko to give you a song, this particular song, it's from my second album. Second album, self-titled Still. Ako, kasi yung pong first, hindi nag-mark. So, I'm gonna give you a song from my, papanindigan ko talaga to, from my second album. Here it is.
Nobody knows just what I want. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspires to let our lives to make us feel one fire, to know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when your game seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here in my arms through the long cold nights. Sleep tight, you'll be safe here when no one understands. I believe you'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe here.
Love you, Janet! We love you, Janet!
My song, my performance. But I love myself. Anong sinabi ni Richard Boone? That Chinese dude. Kala niyo Korean, no? He's Chinese. Yeah, wait. Mamaya, I'll deal with you later. Ngayon mo lang ako nakita, mahal naman. Wait lang. Kasi I have another song. Di pa niya nagtatapos. Alam ko gusto niya makita si Piolo, pero sandali lang, antayin niya, mamaya makita niya si Piolo. This next song is from my,
Third album.
No, it's from my movie. It's It's from my movie, One More Chance. Naalala niyo po yun? Si Popoy tsaka si Basha. Now, si Eric Santos, he tried to have his own version. But I think it's safe to say na he failed. Kasi narinig niya itong version ko, so nahiya siya, hindi niya na tinuloy. So anyway, this next song po is from the movie One More Chance, para sa lahat ng nagmahal kay Popoy at kay Basha.
We love you, Jalon! Love you, Jalon! Talagang Jalon ka lang, ha? Popoy!
You will always ask me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, but this is all I know. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love in me. You still hold the key. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know.
Thank you so much. You've been great.
John Lloyd Cruz! Grabe ka talaga!
John Lloyd Umali. Hi, Jerome. How are you?